State Euler's equation for energy transfer. Let's consider a situation where water jet is striking at a very high speed at Pelton wheel. We see that the speed of water decreases as it passes over the surface of the wheel. Let's consider any water particle released from the nozzle. We see that as it flows over the wheel, its speed reduces. Thus, we can say that the initial speed of water particle is higher than the final speed. This reduction in speed is compensated in terms of work done by the water jet on the Pelton wheel. Thus, we can say that to apply work on the Pelton wheel, the velocity of jet decreases. Now, to find out the exact amount of work done by the water jet, Euler found out a mathematical equation as: it is basically built on the difference between velocities at inlet and outlet and mass flow rate. Thus, Euler's equation for energy transfer states that the work done by the fluid jet is proportional to the product of mass flow rate of fluid and difference between velocities at inlet and outlet. Mathematically, work done by the fluid jet is given by, where related term is